Sawadee my name is Ian Kittichai. We are at Cuisine Concepts, Bangkok, Thailand. And I'm going to make Panang curry with peanut and tofu. Panang curry is more like a thicker curry. Because we have peanut in it, so it kind of like a really thickened, and then it's much more creamier, tastier for me to go with with any kind of protein. Mostly the protein will be meat, but today I'm making with the tofu because it's kind of like a great protein to go into the dish as well. Shall we start? I'm starting off to making a Panang curry paste. I have dry chili, which has been soaked in water. A little salt. Then I have the dry large chili. Start pounding. I'm gonna add the slice, the lemongrass. So you just keep pounding until it becomes like a paste. Next, I'm gonna put the chopped coriander root and makrut skin. After a few minutes, my hand getting sore, so I'm gonna ask someone to help me. Is anyone free to come and help me, please? Next, we're gonna add the gapi, which is the shrimp paste. Then we have shallots, garlic. So this is more this is like our standard curry paste. And then we are making Panang curry paste today. All right, so now our curry paste is ready. As you can see, it become more smoother. Next, we're gonna fry the tofu to get our tofu with the crust and the crispy texture to go with the Panang curry. Bring the temperature up to 180. Okay, we're gonna start frying our tofu. For the tofu, I selected to use it for the dish, which go with the curry, because of the curry actually like really pungent in flavor. So I want something to go with. So the medium tofu will go well with it, and then but I use the soft or silky tofu with the soup because of that's kind of like really go well with the soup. When you sip the soup, you have the nicely like spoon the tofu, soft tofu or silken tofu. It's kind of like really nice to go with the dish. Okay, now we get our golden brown, crispy outside and soft in the middle. I'm gonna put into the paper towel. Next, I'm going to use the same pan. Put the coconut oil in. I'm going to bring this to boil. And also, what we're going to do here with the Panang curry, we have the spice, 2 different spices. We have toasted cumin and toasted coriander seed. These 2 different spices make it completely different from the other curry paste, like red curry paste. I'm gonna add the 2 spices into the curry paste, which is toasted cumin seed and coriander seeds. Then, on top of that, I have the chopped roasted peanut into the curry paste as well. The peanut will give the thickening to the our curry, our Panang curry. So this is one of my I mean, just not just only me, right? It's gonna be like a lot of Thai people love Panang curry. If you put the Panang curry on the table, I've, I will guarantee you that's gonna go first. As you can see around the edge here, the coconut milk starts separated already, and then I'm gonna add the curry paste into it. The reason I'm doing this because of the flavor from the curry paste will come out so much more than if you put the coconut milk right into the pan and then put the curry paste right in, and then the flavor not come out that much. But this way, it will make sure your curry is really taste phenomenal, and then because of all the flavor coming out. As you can see, now I'm putting the curry paste in. Then you can see the bubbles that start breaking between the milk and the cream. As you can see now, the curry start thickening up. Part of it is the reduction from the coconut milk, and then the other part is the peanut that I put in. So now we're using like a medium heat, just gently boiling, like simmering. And from this moment, you can see in a few minutes, it's gonna start separating between the oil from coconut milk and the curry paste, which gonna give you much more flavor into this dish. This method making the to split between the oil from the coconut milk and then with the curry paste, it's kind of like cooking by itself without adding any oil in it. As you can see, the oil coming out from the coconut milk. In Thai, we have the stage between coconut milk split between the oil and the milk. We call it kilo, which is a term of the splitting coconut milk. As you can see now, the oil is coming out without adding the oil. So this method is really ready to cook. So I'm adding more coconut milk just to thin it down a little bit. I'm adding the fish sauce, just a touch of it. Palm sugar. The reason I'm using a palm sugar because of your curry going to be like really smooth and silky. At this stage, I add the pea, eggplant, or berry eggplant, and chiffonade of magroot leaf. I'm going to cook this pea eggplant for a few minutes. I'm going to drop some of the fried tofu into the curry. So now the tofu gonna absorb the curry, so you can have a full bite of Panang curry and tofu in the same time. In Thailand, two ways that you can cook your vegetables still crunchy, or you can completely to cook the pea eggplants until like become soft. So it's not right or wrong. It will be a preference of your texture and flavor. Okay, now we're ready. I top it with the chiffonade of red chili and magroot leaves. And here is the Panang curry with tofu.